Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can fix the error 0x887A0006 in Unreal Engine. Now, this error is most commonly caused by an outdated graphics driver, or if your installation of Unreal Engine, something went wrong in there, like your network got interrupted maybe, and some files got corrupted, and that's what causing this error. Now, if you want to try reinstalling Unreal Engine, you can do that. But of course, Unreal Engine is a pretty big game engine, right? It's about 100 gigabytes, I think, with the full everything included. So if you want to reinstall Unreal Engine, of course, you just have to go to Epic Games. And then you have to go to Unreal Engine. And on Unreal Engine, just click on install here to reinstall your current game engine. But if you don't want to do that, you can try updating your graphics driver. I'm going to show you real quick how you can do that. This is, for example, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, if you want to update it, you just have to go to the NVIDIA app, right? So the NVIDIA app here. And then when I'm open it like this, you just have to go to the driver section up here and then just click on this download section to upload your driver. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.